Hi guys, what if I told you that a woman's attraction has nothing to do with your looks, money or status? What if I told you that the guys who attract all the women have just one thing in common? By the time you finish watching this video, you won't only know what that secret is, you'll know exactly how to implement it in your own life to achieve the same results. This isn't about superficial attributes, it's about understanding the emotional dynamics that truly drive attraction. Let's take a moment to reflect on something you've probably witnessed. The guy who appears to have absolutely nothing to his name, no money, no status, nothing particularly impressive, and maybe not even traditionally handsome, but somehow women cannot resist him. It's not just one woman. Often, multiple women are vying for his attention. The underlying reason for this phenomenon is that he knows the secret. He understands how to trigger the emotions that make a woman crave him. Once those emotions kick in, she doesn't just want him, she becomes unable to stop wanting him. This insight is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their romantic success. Most men overlook this vital understanding because they focus too much on what women say, rather than what they truly need to feel. When you grasp how to create that feeling, you won't have to chase after her. She'll chase you. This shift in mindset is essential for anyone seeking to amplify their romantic success. Now, let's explore the essential elements that will help you understand and leverage attraction effectively. Number 1. Women want to feel overpowered without force. Here's the truth. A woman desires to feel an irresistible pull towards a man, not through coercion, but through an undeniable presence. This dynamic stems from a deep-seated attraction to confidence and strength. Imagine this. When you enter a room, it's not just about being noticed, it's about commanding attention. Your energy should be magnetic, drawing others in without a single word spoken. The way you carry yourself, the confidence in your movements, creates an atmosphere where she feels safe yet intrigued. Here's how you make her feel this. Own your space by maintaining good posture and relaxed body language. When you take up space confidently, it signals your self-assuredness. Speak with clarity and intention, pausing for emphasis. This not only captures her attention, but also allows her to absorb your words. As you guide her through a crowded area, your touch should feel firm yet gentle, reinforcing your role as a confident leader. Number 2. She doesn't want a partner, she wants a leader. Forget societal norms. The notion of equal partnership can sometimes dilute attraction. Women often seek a man who embodies decisiveness and strength. It's not about being domineering, but rather being someone she can trust to take charge in uncertain situations. This is why confident men attract women effortlessly. Their very presence inspires a sense of security and excitement. When a man exudes confidence, it creates a framework where a woman feels she can relax into her femininity, allowing her to embrace her feelings without fear. Here's how to make her feel this. Make prompt decisions and express them with conviction. Your choices should reflect your understanding of situations. Instead of asking for her thoughts each time, present your ideas with confidence, inviting her to join the adventure. This establishes you as a leader, making her feel more attracted to your assertiveness. Number 3. She wants to earn you, not be handed to you. Here's where most men go wrong. Many men unknowingly create complacency by being overly available. This can lead to a lack of appreciation and desire, as women may feel they haven't had to work for your attention. Consider this dynamic. When a woman feels she has to earn your time and affection, it shifts the energy of the relationship. Instead of taking you for granted, she begins to see you as someone worthy of pursuit, creating a thrilling chase. Here's how to make her feel this. Be deliberate in your availability. Don't rush to respond to her messages or always agree to meet her at a moment's notice. Compliment her thoughtfully and only when you genuinely mean it. This will enhance the value of your words and actions, leading her to strive for your attention and approval. Number 4. She craves emotional tension, not constant comfort. Most men misunderstand this concept. They believe that comfort is the key to attraction, but it's the spark of tension that ignites desire. Women often seek the thrill of emotional ups and downs, which can create a deeper connection. Think about it like this: a little unpredictability in your interactions can keep her engaged. The thrill of the chase and the excitement of not knowing what comes next can lead to a heightened emotional connection. Here's how to make her feel this. Introduce elements of surprise into your interactions. Maintain eye contact a moment longer than comfortable, allowing her to feel the weight of your gaze. Balance your communication. Respond promptly one day, then take your time the next. This ebb and flow of attention creates a dynamic that keeps her intrigued and wanting more. Number 5. She wants to feel small next to you. This isn't about physical stature. It's more about the energy you project. A woman wants to feel safe and secure in the presence of a powerful man who could, if he wished, take charge of any situation. Consider this idea. When you exhibit strength in your demeanor, it allows her to lean into her vulnerability. She feels a sense of comfort knowing that you are in control, which can be incredibly intoxicating. Here's how to make her feel this. Be assertive in your interactions. When you hug her, do so firmly, allowing her to feel your strength. Hold her hand with a gentle yet intentional grip, evoking a sense of possession that's reassuring and enticing. Your confidence should radiate, making her feel cherished and protected. Number 6. She wants to feel owned, but only by a man who deserves it. Understanding this principle is crucial. Women are selective about whom they give their submission. They seek men who have demonstrated their worthiness through integrity and self-assuredness. Here's the nuance. A woman is drawn to a man who doesn't seek her validation. When you embody authenticity and self-reliance, it creates a strong foundation of trust, leading her to feel comfortable in expressing her own desires. Here's how to make her feel this. Use commanding yet loving language. Phrases like "you're mine" should feel like a promise rather than a demand, reinforcing her sense of belonging. It's essential that she feels secure in your words, allowing her to embrace her submissive side willingly. Number 7. She wants to feel like she can't control you. Women often test boundaries. This isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding your limits and how you react under pressure. They need to know that you are a man of principle who won't easily bend or break. Reflect on this. When you maintain your composure, even during tests, it reinforces your strength and stability. A woman wants to feel that she can rely on you to remain steadfast, which enhances her attraction to you. Here's how to make her feel this. Stay grounded in your beliefs and values. If she pushes boundaries, respond with calm assurance rather than defensiveness. Your ability to remain composed under pressure will not only command respect, but will also heighten her desire for you as she senses your unwavering strength. So guys, if you want to make a woman genuinely crave you, focus on cultivating these dynamics. Stop chasing, stop seeking approval. Be the man who leads with certainty. When you embody these qualities, you not only attract women, but also inspire them to pursue you with genuine desire. Master these emotions, and she won't just crave you, she'll chase you. If you're ready to delve deeper into these insights, consider exploring resources like Attraction Secrets to enhance your understanding and effectiveness in relationships. Until next time, stay confident and authentic. And remember, it's not about manipulation, it's about self-mastery. Women are drawn to men who know who they are and where they're going. This self-awareness not only boosts your own confidence, but also creates a magnetic aura that naturally attracts others. Build your inner world so strong that her presence is a bonus, not a necessity. Confidence isn't loud, it's calm, grounded, and unwavering. When you cultivate this inner strength, you become resilient, which is incredibly attractive. Become the man she didn't know she was looking for, but can't stop thinking about. To achieve this, focus on your passions, interests, and goals. When you're genuinely engaged in your life, it not only enhances your attractiveness, but also fosters deeper connections with those around you. Embrace the journey of self-improvement and watch as your relationships flourish. True attraction stems from authenticity, emotional intelligence, and the ability to create a fulfilling life for yourself.